Hello, how are you? Today we are going to study about aggregate function in SQL. So we have some aggregate function, and basically these aggregate functions are used to work on the numerical data. For example, we want to find the sum of any column, we want to find the average of any column, we want to find the maximum of any column or minimum value of any column, we want to find the average. So these all are coming inside the aggregate function. So in our MySQL, we have five important aggregate function. So in which the number one aggregate function is count, count, count. This function returns the total number of record in any column. Okay, this is the count. So first I will write all the function, and then practically I will explain all the function one by one. After the count, we have sum returns the sum of any numeric. These aggregate function like sum, average, maximum, minimum, these all the aggregate function only work with numeric column. Keep in mind, this is the sum. Average, we are writing avg function is for the average. This open and close bracket is basically the symbol of the function. Returns the average value of any numeric column, actually numeric column. We have the max, returns the maximum number in the column. We have mean function, it will return the minimum value or number, value of the column. Okay, so these all the five is called the aggregate function, in which what is there, count, sum, average, max, mean. These all are called aggregate function. So now come to the MySQL. I have my table. Table name is student. So in this table, I want to find how many record is there, how many entries are there in any column. Okay. So to find how many records are there, how many entries are there in a table or in a column, we need to use count function. So what I will write here, select basically select count of what. If you want to count for the any column or you want to count for all this, count star from student, so it will give you 14. It means we have the 14 values available in this table. If you count it here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Okay, if you want to count for any particular column, so here instead of star you need to write the column name. For example, I want to count for country, 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 country. So here 0 because we do not have any value in the country, right? Now I want to find for the measure, how many measures are there. So if I will write the measure, it will give you the how many measures are there. So total number of measure is 14. Now one another thing I want to explain you. Uh, we have alias, alias, alias. If you see the result, when result came, it write the same count measure. I do not want to display the count measure. I want to display total number of values or anything. So what I will write here as whatever you want to write. Total column I will write. Total value. So now here space will not take. Total value is 14. So if you want to give other heading, another heading, different heading, then we need to use as this, as this. This is called alias, alias. So this is the const function. After the const function, another function is sum function. I want to find the sum of CGPA. Okay, sum of CGPA. So select sum CGPA. What I want to display as total from student. So the sum of all the CGPA will be available here, and here it display the total because here I write as total. This is the sum function. If you want to find the average, very simple. Just instead of the sum, you need to write the avg function for the average. And here, if you want to change here, I want to write here average, 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 average. Average, average, average. So average is available. Now the next one is count finish, sum finish, average finish. Now max. If you want to find the maximum CGPA of, of, of the student, so what I will write here, select max CGPA from student. So here the maximum CGPA is 4. If you want to find the minimum CGPA, so just you now need to write the MIN mean. So it will give you the minimum CGPA. And here you can write as lowest CGPA. So it will give you the lowest CGPA is 1.7. So like this, we can use the aggregate function. So remember it, the aggregate function other than the sum will only work with the numeric column. So we have the 5 aggregate function. Kindly go through the video and do the practice. And if any kind of problem you are facing, write in the comment. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching the video.